And as a bonus, if you stick to the end, blood is thicker than water. Lingala. Follow in this conversation as I'm going to highlight 8 Lingala. Hi everyone, George here, and I'm back here with another exciting video of Talk Lingala with Joe. As you already know it, Talk Lingala with Joe is a show designed to help you to learn and improve your Lingala in a very simple but fun way. So without further ado, let's crack on it. So in today's video, I'm gonna dive a little bit deeper because I'm gonna give you some exciting Lingala grammar. Similar to signing posts that help directors, the Lingala language, as well as any other language, has signing post words and phrases as its way to help direct listeners, and these are called discourse markers. They help connect what we're saying and tell listeners what information is coming up. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 8 Lingala signing posts. And as a bonus, if you stick to the end, I'm going to give you blood is thicker than water idiom in Lingala. Follow in this conversation as I'm going to highlight 8 Lingala signing posts. Oyebi lisusu mokolo ya poso na bengisaki bato liaka mwa eloko te. Tika esimbaki te, nabungisa ifungola, bato bayaki ebele koleka oyo nga nakanisaki. Kutu ngai moko nde nayebisaki bango okomema no mutu nyonso olingi. Pe na bande kolamba na retard. Kasi ka nde nazala koloba nabungisa ifungola. Yango esala eke nasombe masanga na retard, kutu masanga pe kokaki te. Soki nakanisi lisusu napesa bato masanga moto. Yango wana mutu nyonso akendaki na esengo te. Ebongo yo mokolo ya poso no eleka ndeni. Kasi liboso na bosana mokolo na libala ekozala na sanza oyo ekolanda. So the first signing post I started with is oyebi lisusu. Oyebi lisusu mokolo ya poso na bengisaki bato liaka mwa eloko te. You know, I was hosting a small get-together on Saturday, right? We use this to say, I am going to give you some information that you already know. The second one that I used, tika. Tika. Esimbaki te. Nabungisaki fungola. Bato bayaki ebele koleka oyo nakanisaki. Actually, it was a disaster. I lost my key. People came in numbers, more than what I expected. We use tika to give some surprising information. The third one that I used, kutu. Kutu, ngai moko nde nalobaki okoki komema mutu nyonso olingi. Mind you, I did say come along with anyone. We use this when we're about to give an afterthought contrast to the information that came before. The next one, kasikaka ndenge nazalaki oloba. Kasika nde nazalaki oloba. Nabungisaki fungola, yango esalaki nasomba masanga na retard. Kutu masanga ngo ezalaki pe ya okoka te. Anyway, as I was saying, I lost the key and that made me buy the drinks late, and the drinks wasn't even enough. So this indicates that you need to go back to what you were saying before. Next one, soki nakanisi lisusu napesaki bato masanga moto. Coming to think of it, I served people unchilled drinks. We use this when you just remember or forth something as you're speaking. Next one, yango wana. Yango wana mutu nyonso azonga na esengo te. Basically, everyone went home unsatisfied. So we use this to summarize what we're going to say. And the last one was kasi liboso na bosana mokolo no libala ekozala na sanzo ekoya. By the way, before I forget, is your wedding day next month? And for the bonus of blood is thicker than water, idiom in Lingala is singa ya famille ata ebendani ekata na kate. Singa ya famille ata ebendani ekata na kate. So there are 8 signing posts in Lingala. I hope you found it interesting, and please like, subscribe, and please share. I can't stress that enough. And yeah, so much love. Write us comments and suggestions to help grow this channel. So and as a bonus, if you stick to the end, blood is thicker than water. Lingala. Follow in this conversation as I'm going to highlight 8 Lingala signing posts.